Every bar manager knows to watch out for overpouring. It's the obvious visible form of waste that gets all the attention. But the truth is, your biggest profit leaks are often completely invisible, happening in the blind spots of your daily operations. So let's shine a light on those blind spots. Here are 4 of the most common forms of hidden waste that are quietly draining your profits right now. Breakage and spills are more common than you think. A bottle breaks in the back or during a busy night and is never recorded. It's a silent profit killer that goes unnoticed. Incorrect ring-ups lead to significant losses. A top-shelf pour gets rung up as a cheaper well drink. This discrepancy quietly erodes your margins. Spoilage of ingredients is another hidden threat. A batch of craft syrup spoils before it's fully used, draining profits without a trace. Unrecorded comps are often overlooked. A free drink for a friend that never gets tracked as a comp adds to the invisible waste. Individually, these might seem like small operational losses. A few dollars here, a few dollars there. But when you add them up across every shift, every single week, they become a massive and silent drain on your profitability. Visualize the financial drain with every shift. Thousands of dollars per year are literally disappearing into thin air, impacting your bottom line significantly. So how do you fight an enemy you can't see? You stop guessing and start measuring. A precise inventory system doesn't just count what you have on the shelf, its real power is in calculating exactly what you should have, based on what your POS says you sold. This is called tracking your variance. When your POS says you sold 10 shots of a specific whiskey, but your inventory count shows that an entire bottle is gone, you now have a data point. You have a conversation starter with your team. You have a clear signal that allows you to investigate and fix the root cause of the problem, turning losses back into profits. Backbar's variance reports are your flashlight. Shine a light on the dark corners of your bar. See what you've been missing with detailed reports. These tools help you identify discrepancies and address them effectively. They empower you to reclaim control over your bar's profitability. Stop hidden waste from eating your profits. Implement effective inventory management strategies. Transform your bar into a more profitable operation. By addressing these hidden issues, you can significantly improve your bottom line. It's time to take action and reclaim your profits. By taking this step, you'll illuminate the dark corners of your operations. You'll see what you've been missing and turn potential losses into profits. Join the community of bar managers who have already transformed their operations. Together, we can make your bar more efficient and profitable. Don't let hidden waste continue to drain your resources. Take action today and see the difference it makes in your bottom line. Remember, every small step counts. By addressing these invisible issues, you'll create a more sustainable and profitable business. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to take control of your bar's profitability. Visit backbar.com to get started today.